Ngikwamukele ngikubingelele mbukeli kwiSingisi. If umusha ekhaya bengicela lapha no subscribe uphinde uklike i-notification bell kuyo ke i-channel yethu ke iSingisi. Well, lapha ke into ezokwenzeka namhlanje kuZalo is uNkunzi is still pulling strings even from behind bars. This time he sends Geja to Edlendle on an important mission. It's clear that Nkunzi is not slowing down and whatever he's planning could have big consequences for everyone involved. The question now is whether Geja can handle the pressure, especially with everything currently going on around him. Asazi ke bafethu kushubile ngoba siyibonela kuZalo ukuthi uNkunzi ke ziyamshubela lapha ke jail and ufuna ke ukuphuma ke khona. Well, lapha ke at the police station uLili ke is struggling to deal with the current situation. Being placed on desk duty is not clearly sitting well with her, and that frustration starts to show. What begins as simple irritation quickly turns into something even more intense, and it looks like things could get out of control if it doesn't find a way to manage it. Meanwhile ke lapha ke uSbu ubhizi ke ulungisa ke izinto zakhe ke benofikile. Sbu's team is focused on something more positive. They're coming together to look in a strong Esther theme, and this could be a big moment for them. It's a chance to bring peace, or let me just say people together, but at the same time there's always the possibility that outside drama could interrupt their plans. This episode sets the tone for what's coming next, with the pressure building on all sides and each character facing their own challenges. Asazi ukuthi iyozala nkomoni khona lapha kuZalo. Ngicela ngakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe and phinde click i-notification bell kuyo ke i-channel yethu ke iSingisi ukuze nizohlezi updated ngendaba ke soZalo.